Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring FreeTaxUSA, a popular online tax filing service that claims to provide a user-friendly experience at an affordable price. If you're considering using FreeTaxUSA, this guide will help determine if it's the right fit for you. Let's dive into the details step by step. Step 1. Understanding FreeTaxUSA's features. FreeTaxUSA offers a variety of key features that can make tax filing easier. It includes free federal filing. Simple tax returns can be filed for free, making it an attractive choice for many. State returns. State tax filing is available for a nominal fee, which is usually much lower compared to other services. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be straightforward, providing easy navigation and guidance throughout the filing process. Import features. You can import your previous year's tax returns from other platforms or upload your W-2 forms directly. Audit support. FreeTaxUSA offers assistance in case of an audit, which includes guidance on how to respond to IRS inquiries. Step 2. Assessing your tax situation. Before choosing FreeTaxUSA, consider your personal tax situation. Are you filing as an individual, a business owner, or do you have extensive investment income? FreeTaxUSA is excellent for those with straightforward tax situations. However, if you have complex needs, like numerous deductions or investments, other platforms with more in-depth support may be better suited. Step 3. Evaluating customer support. Another crucial aspect of any online tax filing service is customer support. FreeTaxUSA offers various support options, including email support. You can send inquiries and receive responses via email. Knowledge base. Their website features a comprehensive FAQ section. Live chat. While not available 24/7, this feature can provide immediate answers to specific questions during peak tax season. Consider how comfortable you are with self-support when using FreeTaxUSA. If you prefer extensive live support, you may want to explore other options. Step 4. Analyzing costs. Cost is often a decisive factor when choosing tax software. FreeTaxUSA's pricing structure is generally competitive. Their basic service is free, while state filing incurs a small fee. For additional features like tax advice or audit assistance, there is a modest upgrade available. Compare these costs with other platforms to see if FreeTaxUSA fits your budget. Step 5. Reading reviews and testimonials. Before making your final decision, take the time to read reviews and testimonials from users. Many find FreeTaxUSA to be a reliable and cost-effective option, but experiences can vary. Look for feedback regarding ease of use, accuracy, and overall satisfaction. This will help you gauge if it aligns well with your needs. Step 6. Making the decision. After thoroughly evaluating the features, assessing your tax situation, considering customer support options, analyzing costs, and reading user feedback, you should have a clearer understanding of whether FreeTaxUSA is right for you. If you have a relatively straightforward tax scenario, it likely is a great option. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found this information helpful.